Hey guys, it's Kay and Tam, and we're back with another mind-blowing transformation. Before we get into it, we want you guys to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know every single time we post. In this video, we transformed an old dull 1980s basement into a 2024 basement. You can literally tell how old this basement is from the lighting, the carpet, the space planning, and the dull color scheme. First thing we set out to do was demo the whole space. So we're getting rid of the cabinets in the center to give the basement a much needed modern open feel. Every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on. Demo is going super, and here we had already removed the old carpet from the floors as well as from the staircase. This is the room in the basement that we will also upgrade. We're going to be painting and replacing the carpet, so we're just prepping the space for that. At this point, the space is already looking brighter with the first coat of ultra-white paint on the walls. Kay is patching up the column that was beside the old cabinets. We could not remove the beam because it was load-bearing, basically supporting the weight of the floor above it. Here we have the new carpet installed, and this grey carpet plus the white walls were game changers for this space. And here we have the baseboards we painted white. They're drying and will be installed back soon. After removing the old light fixtures, we installed 5K bright white pot lights to make the space super bright. And you can feel how free the space is after we remove the cabinets. Now this is the upgraded basement room, walls painted and new carpet installed. I mean, it looks awesome and so bright. And you can see how simple updates like painting, color changes can switch up the vibe of any space. Remember the before of the room and how dull it was? And look at the after, it's like night and day. Something else we did was to cover up this opening in the wall leading to the basement. Just a quick reminder of how the main living area looked before.
Closed off this place, all the way into the garage. Going downstairs, you see this new carpets here. Installed new carpet. Look at that. Got the basement finished up. The basement, new pot light, fresh. I broke down the wall here. Looking at this place, going straight into the room. This is the room, very beautiful. And yeah, that marks the end of our renovation video, guys. Stay a lot for more pictures.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and share to everyone you know. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember, we do all things home improvement. See you next time. Bye.